A 50-year mortgage sounds wild, 600 months of payments, but some buyers are seriously considering it. You'll get a lower monthly payment, but at a big cost. I'm Jermaine, your Arizona realtor, lender, and fellow investor. Let's break down who this loan helps, who it hurts, and when it actually makes sense. With a 50-year loan, you might pay nearly 3 times the home's price over time. Why? Because those early payments are mostly interest. You build equity slowly and stay in debt decades longer. Let's compare real numbers. Say you borrow $400,000 at 7%. On a 30-year loan, you'll repay about $839,000 total. But on a 50-year mortgage, that jumps to nearly $1.38 million. That's over $540,000 more in interest, just for a lower monthly payment. You're buying the same house, but paying for it nearly 3 times over. And with 50-year amortization, the structure is interest-heavy. Most of your early payments barely touch the principal. Your equity builds slowly, especially dangerous if you want to sell, move, or refinance within 5 to 10 years. In fact, if you exit early, you might feel more like a glorified renter than a homeowner, holding the debt without real ownership to show for it. Compared to FHA loans, which often come with better interest rates and shorter terms, the 50-year option can be much more expensive. FHA builds equity faster and usually offers lower upfront costs for owner-occupants. So who does benefit? Investors. The lower monthly improves rental cash flow, debt coverage ratios, and long-hold returns. But for first-time buyers, that investor-friendly math creates more competition and pushes prices higher. This tool might make sense if you have a defined exit strategy, like refinancing or moving in under a decade. But if you're holding for life, the debt and interest sticks around longer than most people want. Ask these questions. What's the total interest? When do I build real equity? What's my refinance or exit plan? Here's a quick recap on 50-year mortgages. They offer lower monthly payments and stronger cash flow for investors. But they come with a massive interest cost, slower equity buildup, and more competition for entry-level homes, especially in tight markets like Arizona. Still have questions about 50-year loans? Then let's talk. I'm always here to help homeowners and future homeowners like you. Got questions? Call or text me at 480-800-HOME. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arizona real estate tips. Have a nice day.